Your rocket is on the rail, fully assembled, fully wired. The RRC4 is inside, sealed up, waiting. This is the moment everything you've programmed either pays off or doesn't. Before you close up the avionics bay, pull up MDAX one last time. Verify your configuration is exactly what your mission requires: deployment altitudes, channel assignments, and your UI setting. Open the diagnostics view. Confirm continuity on every channel you're using. Validate your battery voltage at a freshly charged level of 4 volts or more. Double-check all connections are secured and all wiring, batteries, and avionics are fully fastened. Once you're 100% satisfied, close everything up and head over to the RSO for pad assignment. At the pad, slide your rocket onto the rail, then place the rail into its vertical position. When you're ready, activate the RRC4 power switch. The RRC4 is live. Listen. You'll hear a short init tone sequence. The system is starting up, sensors stabilizing. Then, a series of beeps, one for each pyro channel that has confirmed continuity. Those beeps confirm the RRC4 has passed its self-test, the E-matches are connected, and it's now in launch detect mode. You're armed and waiting for liftoff. Now, start MDAX and click the launch button. You'll connect with the RRC4 and get a complete final check of every setting and every sensor, all streaming live to the pre-flight status view, in real time, directly from your rocket. All systems go. You're ready to load your motor igniter, validate igniter continuity with the local GSE, and step back to the flight line. One more thing. Know what bad sounds like. If you hear an SOS beep pattern after the init sequence, that's a post fault. Do not launch. MDAX will show you exactly what's at issue on the pre-flight status view. Disarm, pull your rocket off of the rail, and troubleshoot from your prep area. That's your complete pre-flight checklist. Configuration verified, continuity confirmed, startup sequence observed, and all systems go per the MDAX pre-flight summary. In Episode 5, we recover the rocket and pull the flight data. See you on the pad!